Electronics fills our everyday lives. The field of electronics has made and will continue to make a huge impact on the quality of our lives and the prosperity of the country. A-level electronics will usually lead to a career in engineering. Many of our students go on to do engineering degrees, but also apprenticeships. A unique feature of this course is that 20% of the marks are given for projects in Year 12 and in Year 13. C grades in science and in mathematics are needed to study electronics, if not higher. The use of equations in electronics is almost used daily. That's why mathematics is essential for electronics. For a full A-level, 2 exams will be done at the end of Year 13. This constitutes 80% of the final mark. 20% is made up of coursework. The course studies circuits to do with digital electronics, analog electronics, but also communication systems. This is an example of the coursework where a student has designed a circuit using Circuit Wizard and then has decided to use Circuit Wizard in order to simulate the circuit itself before building it. Using techniques called Boolean algebra, the circuit is analysed and then simulated again using software. This is an example of Circuit Wizard, which is a software program we use quite a lot throughout the years in electronics. It's a circuit simulation program where we design things and then test them before we actually physically build them. It's quite a complicated circuit program. It's used extensively in the world of electronics and it provides a massive grounding for our students.